don't want no grand picnic, you know, that's what I have to tell you. And
No, what?
No,
Mommy,
I don't
but
want nobody come here when I'm not here. I don't want nobody into my house.
Hickey look like this?
That look like Hickey to me.
This is a mosquito. These are 2 mosquitoes. Mommy, there are mosquitoes earlier because remember say it's been raining all week, you know, so the mosquitoes.
You washing plate and pot? No, sir.
What's popping, you guys? It's your boy Singh Zima out here with another banger video, and I'm sorry for being shirtless. This is a part of the video. As you can see in the title below, today I'm going to be pranking my mom and telling her that I have hickey. Well, not telling her, but hopefully she sees that I have hickeys. So earlier I tried to do a fake tattoo prank. As you can see here, here's a small outline. I rubbed out this one and that didn't work out, so I decided that I had to do a prank. I used, I think it was like a lipstick, but not really a lipstick, like a lip gloss colored thing, whatever. And I just used my finger and rub it into my skin so it looks like an actual hickey. This one is really bad. So yeah, hopefully she gets home soon and let's see her reaction. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's the plan. My mom is supposed to be home in about 15 to 20 minutes. When she gets home, I'm going to be doing dishes or cleaning up the kitchen because, you know, when you enter the door, that's the first thing you see, the kitchen. And I put it on the right side, so when she walks in, the first thing she will see is my neck. When I turn around, then she's going to see my chest. So I'm going to be doing chores, so it will seem like a regular day. You know, she come home, she's seeing her son clean, whatever, and then she's going to see this and we'll see her reaction. Hopefully she doesn't freak out. I highly doubt she will, don't knowing my mom. I think she just got a bit upset that like you actually have hickeys. But let's see your reaction. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think and tell me what prank you think I should do on my mom next. Hope you enjoy. Huh? T4. No. Yeah, not too long ago. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep.
Am I being recorded?
No.
Why are you doing chores? Is that video?
Something like that. Huh?
No, they were still sleeping.
Yeah, him got to sleep later today.
Is what that for your neck?
Huh?
Is Hickey that for your neck?
No.
What rotted is what this? Is who was here?
Nobody was here.
Who was here?
Who?
Who was here when I gone?
Nobody never was here.
So it's what this for your chest right here, so. Is Hickey that for you? She said, it's what you do with Hickey for your chest. It's what you do when I'm gone when I wasn't here.
I never do nothing, mommy. You see me doing the dishes. I never.
But you know easy. This who could have so bright. Somebody was here.
Nobody was here.
You can't give yourself Hickey. That don't make no sense.
Of course you can.
Me will rewind the camera right now. You want me go? Me will go look.
You can't do
So
that,
don't
mommy.
tell
That's
me no.
invasion of privacy. Like you can't just go back on the cameras. See
No,
that
but
thing.
look here. The big old look at them for your neck and you went tell me so nobody wasn't here.
But nobody was here.
With me now. Oh, okay. As far as I'm concerned, you're still a child. As long as you're in my house, you're still a child. And I'm gonna make sure I go right between my work time.
Mommy,
Come
nobody's-
says, how come you eat and washing up plate same time? Because you don't normally wash up plate same time. You never see smoke without fire. So it's who was here. And I'm bright, so. So when it says
No, it wasn't. She wasn't here. She had classes today, so she couldn't come over.
no sir, no the story. Look there, look on your neck, chest. You swear, so you no sir. So it's what I do when I'm gone. It's what I do, it's what I was doing.
I never do nothing, mommy.
So all you get Hickey on your neck and your chest.
This is not a hickey, it's a mosquito bite, mommy. It's a mosquito bite.
Mosquito bite look so? Me look like that? I'm born big.
Mommy, it's a mosquito bite. It's not no hickey.
John, that's not mosquito bite. Unless you're trying to trick me, because that look like a icky pie.
It's a mosquito. Mommy, look on it. Did hickey look like this?
That look like icky to me. You can't
This is a mosquito. These are two mosquitoes. Mommy, there are mosquitoes
John,
earlier. Because
really?
remember, say it's been raining all week, you know, so the
Really?
mosquitoes been biting me up.
Yeah, must have one dopey mosquito that bite you. Mouse. Anyway, I don't want no grand pick me, you know, that's all I have to tell you. And I
No,
don't
what?
want
Mommy,
I don't
but
want
I'm-
nobody come here when I'm not here. I don't want nobody into my house. I don't care anyway.
But mommy, it's
I
not
don't
even a
care
hickey.
so.
It's nobody.
You washing plate and pot? No, sir. Mm-mm. Anyway, go on, go tell, he said mosquito bite you. Go on. Tomorrow we know if it's mosquito bite.
But it's a mosquito bite for it, mommy. You can't tell me this story. It's a mosquito bite. Nobody never. You see me?
You bite yourself. You mean vampire bite, not mosquito bite. Anyway, maybe me time right now. We don't have much time for it.
Where you going? Come back.
No,
Mommy.
What?
Come back now.
What?
Wait, no, hold on.
This is what? This trick you're trying to trick me.
It's a prank.
You damn shit, you. Damn all fun. You want nothing to do with yourself.
You really
Don't go on YouTube, you know.
What?
Don't go on YouTube.
It's already gonna go up on YouTube. Guys, as I told you before, my mother not going like overreact, but she hates hickeys. So why you hate hickeys, mommy? I'm not going to show you
No,
face.
it's just so. First of all, the whole world don't need to be knowing what you're doing. That's my opinion. Yeah. Everything private. Icky is for immature people. That's what I'm saying. Anybody who gives somebody a icky is real. And make it so obvious is immature, in my opinion.
Okay, got you. So you wanna know what I used to? It look real?
What do you use, my lipstick?
Your lip, some brown.
Yeah, it look real. And this one right here, so it look like somebody bite icky. Because bite plus icky. No, man, you're good.
Yeah, guys, mommy pig is out here chilling. She's upset, but she's not like super
It's
upset.
cool.
But
Yeah. You don't have nothing to do with your time. Nothing you don't have to do with your time. That's all I
oh boy. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that way you don't miss any time I upload a video. Don't forget to leave a comment and share this video with your friends if you enjoyed. If you want to see more content like this, then you're gonna have to comment it. Let me know what kind of pranks you want me to do on my mother next, and we'll see you next time.